This one is our makeup machine. Our current cargo channel is a combination. The upper 3 floors are this kind of spring cargo lane. And then below is the side baffle. This one can not only be used to sell makeup or press on nails. Even this kind of daily necessities is okay. And let me show you what we have here. Inside the cabinet, we chose this kind of small spring. Then the capacity is also very large. Then push the baffle on the side below. It can also be adjusted. You can sell different kinds of this product. All size of the slots can be different according to you. Then I'll show you the shipment. The touch screen, you can show your products to attract customers' attention. And then I'll show you our spring rotation and side baffles individually. Let's go.